The secret of the palms, an extraordinary laboratory you always carry with you. What's on your palm? It's not just a faint line or a sweat spot when you're nervous. Take a microscopic journey to uncover the scientific wonders that are always embedded in our bodies. From mysterious particles to indelible unique maps. So welcome to the secret world of palms. Take a look at your palms now. They look normal, don't they? How surprised we are to see the true shape of the details of our palms under a microscope and the many mysteries in our bodies as humans in this world. Look at our palms. They are like waves on the beach with uneven lines. The smooth surface of the palm of your hand allows you to grip, feel, and touch. But there's more to it than meets the eye. Imagine if we could shrink down to the size of a speck of dust and walk on it. What would we find? Looks moist and shiny surface of the skin on the palm of the human hand. This is a view from the microcosm. First, we see tiny particles stuck together like inhabitants of a planet's crust. They're remnants of your everyday life. Bits of dust, dead skin cells, residue from the things you touch. They're stuck there because your skin surface isn't perfectly smooth. It is like a hilly terrain with small valleys and layers of natural oil that trap every microparticle. Even after washing their hands, some of them are still hiding behind these hills and canyons. Look, there are microparticles of dirt still stuck to the skin of human palms, even though the hands have been washed beforehand. Look at this wrinkled pattern. It's not a sign of aging. It's nature's advanced grip technology. Each ridge and groove acts like a car tire, giving you a firm grip. But have you ever wondered why your palms feel so dry in morning? Nighttime is your body's resting time. Sweat production slows, your temperature drops, and your hands don't move as much. The natural oil layer, normally redistributed through movement, becomes static. So what about the results? In the morning, the surface of this planet feels deserted, dry, and a little dusty. But make no mistake, the moisture is still there, hidden in the lowest layers. So, what about these major palm lines? Are they fate? No, they are strategic creases that formed while you were still in the womb. When your fingers start to learn to clench, they are in the places where your skin bends most often, like the folds in a perfect origami. And this is the crowning glory of your uniqueness, your fingerprints. Each loop, whorl, and arch is a unique story. It is your most private biological identifier. There is no, and never will be, a fingerprint in this world that is exactly yours. It is the stamp of your uniqueness. You might be wondering, where did the pores go? They're there, but in a very different form. Here, thousands of tiny sweat factories, called eccrine glands, are in charge. Note, there's a little open skin on the palm of the human hand and around the edges of the open skin. The skin is black. Oh yes, it is true that this human palm is male and has a hard job, so it is natural that his hands are like that. But there is also skin on the palms of human hands that is open but still yellowish white. These tiny pores, called acrine glands, hidden within the grooves of your fingerprints, work silently to regulate your temperature and respond to your emotions. That's why your palms can suddenly get wet even when you're just sitting still. It's an ancient alarm. Your nervous system sounds the sirens for stress or anxiety, ordering sweaty hands to perhaps help your ancestors grip weapons or climb better. His hands are nervous, even though you are just waiting for a job interview, and while we look at the surface of the palms, the average color is pink. And here's the biggest paradox to the naked eye. It appears dry, but under a microscope, it glows wet with an invisible layer of moisture. Why? Because our eyes are limited. What a microscope sees is another truth. A planet constantly drenched in a thin layer of sweat and oil. A living, breathing ecosystem. So, your palms aren't just skin. They're a unique map, a defense system, a sophisticated sensor, and a record of your personal history since you were in the womb. The next time you look at it, remember, what you see is only the surface of a complex world that always faithfully accompanies your every grasp, touch, and stroke in life. What other worlds would you like us to explore together? Let us know in the comments. If you're impressed by the wonders of science around you, let us know. Without us realizing it, the skin on the palms of our hands has started to wrinkle even though it is not visible to the naked eye. Here, the skin on human palms is shiny and moist and has a rectangular shape, or can be said to be checkered. If you are impressed by the wonders of science around you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Share this video with friends who are curious about their own body secrets. See you on the next science adventure.